First exercise, trigonometry first exercise, first question. In a right angle triangle ABC, first draw the triangle ABC triangle. In a right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 17 centimeters are the lengths of AB, BC and CA. Then find the tan A, cos A, tan. Sir, we are not mentioned which is A, which is B, which is C. Where is your? I am writing directly A, B, C in orderly. But already మనం తెలుసుకుంది కదా, in the right angle triangle longest side is your hypotenuse. అంటే ఇచ్చిన ట్రయాంగిల్ లో పొడవైన సైడ్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో ఆ సైడ్ ని మనం హైపోటెన్యూస్ అంటే తెలుగులో కారణం అని కూడా అంటారు. ఏసీ లాంగెస్ట్ సైడ్ ఏసీ, ఆ ఏసీ అనేది 17 centimeters longest one. Then how you are taking that 8 and 15 means you are wish to take here or there. Anyway, I am taking 8 centimeters here and 15 centimeters I am taking here. Then find out the sin A, cos A, tan A. First, remind your box now. What is the box? Four lines poem లా ఉంటుందని చెప్పాను. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, OAO, HHC. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, OAO, HHA. Okay, no? This is a formulated box. Not only for that 6 formulas, remaining so many formulas are there in this box. ఈ బాక్స్ లో ఇంకా మనకి నియర్లీ 30 ఫార్ములాస్ ఆర్ దేర్. 30 ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి బాక్స్ మాత్రం కొద్దిగా మైండ్ లో పెట్టుకోండి. రిమైనింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఒక్కొక్క ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కి డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఒక్కొక్క ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కి ఒక్కొక్క సమ్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి బాక్సింగ్ మైండ్ లో పెట్టుకుంటే అవి ఎట్లా వస్తాయో యూ క్యాన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దట్ లేటర్. సో ఫస్ట్ we take these 3 ratios. India Bhavi, sin A and cos A and tan A. What is tan A? O by H. O by H. Cos theta A by H. Tan is equal to O by A. Then substitute the all values of A from A. You observe from the angle is A. Where is A? This is A. From this is the theta means I am taking this is the opposite one. Theta opposite one is the opposite side and longest one is hypotenuse and remaining one side is your adjacent side. Then what you want to opposite one? O means opposite, H means hypotenuse. Then O means 8, hypotenuse is 17. Then cos A by H. It is the opposite means it is only adjacent. 15 by 17. Then opposite 8 by adjacent is 15. These are the values of sin A, cos A and tan. Is it clear? Exercise. First exercise. Second problem. The side of right angle triangle PQR. First to draw the PQR triangle at right angle to Q. In that right angle triangle P, Q and R, right angle to Q. In the question only they are mentioned Q is equal to 90 degrees and PQ is equal to 7 centimeters. PQ, this is 7 centimeters. And PR means hypotenuse is given, that is 25 centimeters. Then you don't know this value, so I am taking this is X. Otherwise no need to mention any letter, just mention QR only. So in the right angle triangle, out of 3 sides 2 sides are given. How to find out the third side? By using Pythagoras theorem. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degrees, and given that sides are what now? PQ is equal to 7 centimeters and PR is equal to 25 centimeters. Then PQ and PR, two sides are given. In that, how to find out this hypotenuse square? Means longest side square is equal to PR square is equal to sum of remaining two sides, that is PQ and QR. PQ square plus QR square. Then substitute the PR, PQ and QR values. PR value is PR value is 25. 25 square. PQ 7 square. QR value is not there, so you are taking X square. Otherwise, write that QR square is a QR square. Okay, na? Then 25 into 25, 625. 7 7 is 49 plus X square. You can send the 49 into left hand side. 625 minus 49 is equal to X square. Then do the subtraction. X square is equal to how much? 6 1 5. 6 2 5. 5. 625 minus 49. 6, we are 1. 520. 576 now. X is equal to what? Square root of 576. What is the value of 576 square root? 24. So this value is 22 centimeters. Now tan P minus tan R. Tan formula is what? Go by A minus tan R. Tan P means you are observing from P. You are observing from P. Then P opposite one is QR. QR means how much? 24. And it is opposite means it is adjacent only. Then 7 minus again opposite for Q R. Here tan P opposite one is 24. P opposite one is 24. But here they are asking R. R opposite one is 7. Adjacent side means this one means 24. Then simplify this now. 7 into 24. 7 4 is 28. 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 168. Then 7 table. Then cross multiply 576 minus 7 7 is 49. Then 576 minus 49. In a right angle triangle, ABC with right angle to B, in which small a is equal to 24, small b is equal to 25 centimeters units, and angle BC is equal to theta. Then find the cos theta and tan theta. First to draw the triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degrees, A and B, C. The ABC angle 90 degrees is B, and BAC is equal to find out the theta value, and then 24 units and 25 units. So I am taking this is a small a, this is 24 centimeters units, and it is the hypotenuse, means 25 units. Then we don't know the value of this one. Then you are taking the x or AB, nothing will happen. Again, find out the value of AB. How to find out the AB values? By using the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. What is it now? AC square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to sum of remaining sides. AB square plus BC square. Then AC is equal to 25 square minus AB is equal to not there, so we are taking that is x square. BC square is equal to 24 centimeters. Then it is a 25 centimeter, 25 square. We are sending this one is a 24 square is equal to x square. Then 25 square is equal to 625 minus 576. Okay, now otherwise you can use a square minus b square also, you will get the same answers. I am using that formula 25 plus 24, a plus b and a minus b. Okay, now what we get now? 49 into 1 is equal to x square, x square. Okay, now see now. It is a long process 625, 5 5 is 25 minus 576. You are getting the 49, same answer. But I am modifying simply plus and minus, means a plus b into a minus b. Is it clear? Otherwise, I am adding that one. 25 square is equal to 625 minus 576 is equal to x square. Do the subtraction, you are getting the 49 square. Then x square is equal to square root of 49. Then you are getting 7. Then take a question. What is the cos theta? Cos theta is what now? Cos theta formula a by x. Theta is this here. Theta value ఇక్కడ ఉంది, యాంగిల్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది అంటే యాంగిల్ కి ఆపోజిట్ వన్ ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఈ ఆపోజిట్ కాకుండా దాని వేరే సైడ్ తీసుకుంటే అది అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్. సో how much that adjacent side? 7. Hypotenuse is 25. Then again one more thing, tan theta. Tan theta formula O by A means theta opposite one is 24 and it is already longest side. Triangle లో పొడవు అనేది ఏంటంటే 25. ఇది కావాలి అంటే ఇది ఇదే కదా, అది 7. It is the tan theta and it is the cos theta. Is it clear? Exercise, first exercise, fourth problem and fifth problem. Previously we are doing first, second, third, 3 problems. Then మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వచ్చి ఉంటుంది ఎట్లా చేయాలి అనేది. ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఐ యామ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ హియర్, యూ విల్ డూ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. మీ ఓన్ గా చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. రాకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో మనం దీని గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. జస్ట్ ఐ యామ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ హియర్, జస్ట్ సీ cos A is equal to 12 by 13 means cos A is equal to 12 by 13 given this one. Given that cos A is equal to 12 by 13. So here I am writing what is the cos A formula? A by h. A by h. Then immediately you draw the right angle triangle. Okay now. Then cos A, it is B and it is C. Sir, why are you taking B here means? See here in that question they are mentioned A, cos A, tan A and tan A means what is the meaning now? That A is acute angle. Then maybe B or C are only right angle triangles. Then I am taking B is a right angle triangle means 90 degrees. So it is cos A. Cos A means adjacent side. A ki adjacent side. A ki ఇది opposite అవుతుంది, ఇది adjacent. Then it is 12. And already you know hypotenuse means 13. Hypotenuse అంటే ఏంటన్నా ట్రయాంగిల్ లో లాంగెస్ట్ సైడ్ అంటే పెద్దగా ఉన్నది ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దాన్ని 13 సెంటీమీటర్స్ గా తీసుకుంటాం. It is 13 centimeters. Then you don't know this one. How to find out this? By using the Pythagoras theorem. Previously మనం చేసాం కదా. First find out the BC value. We'll get the some values. Then substitute cos tan A O by x. This one by this one. And tan A. Tan A means opposite by adjacent. Opposite and by 2. It is fourth no? It is fifth. 3 tan A is equal to 4 means tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Okay now. This 3 you are sending in the denominator part. Index is running. If you form the tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Then you have to find out the tan A and tan A. First thing money for formula same as it is. 4 by A. Draw immediately one right angle triangle roughly. So it is A is the acute angle. Then A, B and C. Then A opposite one is 4 and adjacent is 3. Then you have to find out the hypotenuse value and then substitute the tan A and cos A value. Is it clear now? See that seventh one now. Given that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8 is given. Then first to draw the right angle triangle. ముందే చెప్పాం కదా రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ డ్రా చేసుకొని then draw the box now. Tan theta, cos theta, tan theta. Every time no need to write. ప్రతి ప్రాబ్లం రాస్తున్నారు అదేం యూజ్ ఏం లేదు. జస్ట్ యూ కీప్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్. ఆ మైండ్ లో పెట్టుకుని సరిపోతుంది. tan, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. O, A, O, H, H, A. Cot theta ఫార్ములా ఏంటన్నా? Cot theta is equal to A by O. ఫార్ములా మాకు ఆల్రెడీ ఐడియా ఉంది సార్ అంటే నో నీడ్ టు టేక్ దిస్ బాక్స్. జస్ట్ ఐడియా పర్పస్ ఐ యామ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్. Cot theta is equal to A by O means adjacent by opposite side. Then here not given particular A, B, C values. Then you are wish to take any one angle is a theta, not this one. Why? Because it is 90 degrees. You are wish to take from angle from here or here. ఎక్కడ తీసుకున్నా అదే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది, డిఫరెంట్ గేమ్ రాదు. దెన్ ఐ యామ్ మెన్షనింగ్ సమ్ నెంబర్ లెటర్స్. దెన్ రైట్ హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఏ theta adjacent side is B. Theta adjacent side is this one is a 7 and it is the opposite one. Opposite one is this one. Opposite one is it is 8. Now you don't know the third side. Then find out the AC 2 by using the Pythagoras theorem. What is it now? Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of remaining two sides. Hypotenuse square AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then write that all values. Hypotenuse value is not given. Then AB is equal to what now? 7 square plus BC square is equal to 8 square. Then it is 49 plus 64. How much nana? Root 113. AC square is equal to this one. This square I am writing square root of root 113. Next, now come to the point. What that? In that question they are asking sin theta and cos theta values. First to write the value of sin theta and cos theta. First I am writing that question. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. By 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Then is it A plus B and A minus B means can I write A square minus B square? Since A plus B into A minus B becomes A square minus B square. By same thing here also A plus B into A minus B. 1 square minus cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. No? You learn next exercise లో మీరు ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ గురించి తెలుసుకుంటారు. వితౌట్ ఫార్ములాస్ కూడా ఇక్కడ మనం ప్రాబ్లం చేయొచ్చు డైరెక్ట్ గా. నేను చెప్పేవన్నీ కూడా ఫార్ములాస్ చాలా రిడ్యూస్ చేసి చెప్తున్నాను. మీరు మళ్ళీ ప్రాబ్లం ఫార్ములాస్ మళ్ళీ బర్టిఫై చేసి unnecessary things అని చేస్తే ఇక్కడ something 1 minus sin square theta is there. You can write it is there sometimes tan square or cosecant square means your total answer is wrong. That's the reason I am writing 1 minus sin square formula O by H by 1 minus cos means A by H. Then 1 minus what is opposite? What is opposite? H and hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? So it is about 113. By here also 1 minus adjacent side is 7 by 113. Then 1 minus O by H. I am writing only O by H, but this whole square. 1 minus sin square theta means O by H whole square. Cos theta means A by H whole square. Squares are there. I am 1 minus opposite one is 8. Hypotenuse is 1 root. This is also same thing. That square. Then I am writing here 1 minus 8 is 64 by root 113 whole square kada square root cancel ayipotundi. Next 1 minus 7 7 is 49 by square root of 113 whole square root cancel here also. Then what you get now? 1 by 1 minus 64 by 1 minus 64 by 113 by 1 minus 49 by 113. Then convert now 113 minus 64 by 113 by 113 minus 49 by 113. This 2 cancel. What you get now? 113 minus 64 is 40 and 1. 113 cancel. You are getting 49 by 64. Is it clear? There to bit 7th one, second bit. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Already you know the values. 1 plus sin, not sin square, only sin theta neka. Then మనకి a plus b into a minus b అంటే a square minus b square కాబట్టి అది స్క్వేర్ వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ లేదు. దెన్ sin theta ఫార్ములా ఏంటన్నా o by h నా by cos theta ఫార్ములా o by a for a by h. బాక్స్ లేదు, బాక్స్ ఇచ్చేసాను, బాక్స్ చూడకండి. 1 plus what is opposite side? Opposite side is h by hypotenuse is root 113 by adjacent 7 by root 113. Then simplify this. Root 113 plus 8 by root 113 divided by 7 by root 113. Here denominator. Both the denominators are cancelled. What do you get now? Root 113 plus 8 by 7. Is it clear? Is it clear now? First exercise, eighth problem. They are giving first you are writing triangle ABC. Right angle to B. Okay, 90 degrees into B. You can write A here or there. Anyway, ఇక్కడ రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ రాయాలి సార్ అంటే you will your wish to write anyway. Why? Because both are active triangles. But B is 90 degrees. They are mentioned in the question. Question lo mention chesaru. B is 90 degrees. Remaining two angles are active triangles. Then you can write here or here. మీ ఇష్టం ఎక్కడైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ABC, otherwise ABC. After tan A is equal to root 3. The given tan A is equal to root 3. Then here nothing there means I am taking there is a 1. Okay now, root 3 by 1, you can write root 3 by 1 also. Okay now, now what is the formula for tan now? O by A, tan A opposite by adjacent. Then from A is the angle. Angle you are taking from here, not C. Why? Because they are mentioned the tan A. For this tan A opposite one is a root 3. See this. Opposite one is a root 3. Adjacent side is a 1. This is the adjacent side. This is 1. You don't know this one. You were wish to take x. Otherwise, no need to take x. You can write AC is AC. By using Pythagoras theorem, you find out the length of hypotenuse. See here? By using Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of remaining two sides. Hypotenuse means AC square is equal to sum of remaining two sides. AB square plus BC square. Then substitute the values. AC square is equal to, you can write it is a x. You are taking their x. Then you can write x also. Nothing will happen. AB is equal to 1 square. BC is equal to root 3 square. Means square root cancel. It is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Then it is AC square. Means AC is equal to square root of 4. Means AC is equal to what? 2 centimeters. 2. Then take the first question. What is the first question? Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Now, question is చూడడానికి అట్లే ఉంది, but question కొద్దిగా different గా చూడండి. Sin A, you are observing from the angle is A, then it is angle C. You are observing from C. It is cos A and it is sin A. Different angles are there here. So anyway, first to write the formulas for sin cos sin cos. Sin formula O by H into it is A by H plus it is also again A by H into again it is O by H. Then angle A opposite one. Angle A opposite one is root 3. Hypotenuse is never be changed. అంతే ఉంటుంది, దానికి అదే ఉంటుంది. How much? 2. X is equal to 2. 2 into C ki adjacent side. C is opposite. C ki is opposite one. C adjacent side is root 3. Hypotenuse is same. 2 ne ఉంటుంది. Plus A ki adjacent side. A ki adjacent side is this 1 by 2. Okay na? C ki opposite one. C ki opposite one 1 by 2. Then root 3. How much? 3 only by 2 2 ja 4. Then 1 1 ja 1. 2 2 ja 4. Now take the LCM, it is 4. 3 plus 1. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Is it clear? 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Right?